how to remove green screen on CapCut. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our CapCut right here. And once we open our CapCut, let's upload the video wherein we want to remove the green screen. So just look for the green screen right here. And then let's say, for example, that we will use this video right here. So let me just edit this. So right here, as you can see, we now have this video wherein there's an explosion and we want to remove the green screen. So all you have to do to remove that is to go and click the video right here and then click this remove background. Now, once you click remove background, you will see this auto removal. Once you click auto removal, CapCut will automatically remove the green screen right here, but it requires a pro version for the account. So if you want to avail the pro version account of the CapCut, all you have to do is to click the link that is down below in the description box. So just click the link right there and then sign up. And then of course, you will have a discount for monthly and yearly subscription. So going back on the video, so if you want to do it manually, all we have to do is to click this chroma key right here. So enable this. And then for the color picker, let's click this one right here. And then of course, drag your cursor in this video and then just select the color green right here. Now, once you click that, you can adjust the intensity. So if you want to adjust the intensity, you can also do that, of course, as well as the shadows. And then of course, the feather edge, but it requires pro version of the account. So let me just leave it as it is right here. And then if we play the video, this is what it should look like. And then once you're now contented with this, all you have to do is to, of course, export it right here. And then, of course, click export. So that is basically it. That is how to remove green screen in CapCut.